The jaguar is the only big cat that doesn't just tolerate water, it actively hunts in it. While most cats avoid getting wet at all costs, this apex predator of the Amazon rainforest routinely dives into deep rivers to target one of the most dangerous reptiles on Earth, the caiman. Unlike lions or leopards that kill by suffocating their prey with a throat bite, the jaguar possesses an incredibly powerful bite that can crush skulls instantly. In fact, its bite force is so extreme that it can pierce straight through the heavily armored skull of an alligator with a single lethal snap underwater. It is a stealthy swimming assassin that fears absolutely nothing. If you saw this beast swimming towards you, what would you do? Tell me in the comments.